She gonna dye my hair. Hopefully she don't mess this up, cause I don't think she looked at the tutorial videos. Did you?
No. Hair.
Bro, what is this? You f me up.
Walked in with a lot of rats. A lot of niggas tryna steal the swag. I keep it icy with me, it be all black. Diamonds like an Eskimo, I cannot count. Yeah, and I heard a nigga all told. Y'all niggas get so bold. We'll be the rat.
Oh my god, my fucking
Bro. I got the fire, clutch. Try to run up, bust.
YouTube, we finna dye our hair today. You read by the title, we dyeing it white. Finna go to the store and get the stuff so we can get this thing popping and rolling and going and doing and towing and flowing. Alright, see y'all later. Finna go get the products, show y'all when I get there, whatever. Alright, I'm outside the beauty supply store. Finna go get my junk. Kinda scared my niggas, cause I mean, this can make or break me right now. Not gonna lie to y'all. If it look ugly, nigga, I'm cutting my hair off. Period. Ain't gonna lie.
Hello.
Alright, this is stuff. Hey, don't know what this is. Don't know what this is. Don't know what this is. She gonna dye my hair. Hopefully she don't mess this up, cause I don't think she looked at the tutorial videos. Did you?
No.
Shit real now. I can't make this shit up.
She gonna look at some tutorial videos. Say what?
There's 2 scoops of the bleach powder,
2 scoops. And now
up to the 5 ounce. We put developer to the 5 ounce.
why you acting retarded? Just say it.
Thoroughly. And then mix thoroughly. Okay, got the camera together. And this thing looking like Kodak Black. They put the tinfoil on here supposedly because it do better with heat and they need heat or something. Bro, I don't know, bro. Some girl stuff. But yeah, it's supposed to be blonde. I look like a unicorn. Maybe. Hey, bro, what you think, bro? Think about what?
I can't see your actual hair, bro.
You can't see, bro?
Bro, I can see your hair. I can't see what your actual hair look like. It look retarded.
You don't like it?
Bro.
I think I'm gonna leave it like this. Like Kodak, bro. In the club, bopping with, man.
Bro,
don't like this?
that's ugly, bro.
This on fire, bro.
That be a retarded.
Update you guys in a minute. After I get done cutting my hair, I'll show y'all the first bleaching. But I can't really see it. We're postponing the white dye till Friday, and it's currently Monday because my mom said she didn't want my hair to fall out or. Alright guys, it's time for the, oh my god, we gotta see what this junk gonna look like. This boy, hold on, why I look like this? Like Bugs Bunny or something. I might just be from Florida. I'll take it off in here or in there?
In there.
I kinda wanna see it though. So shoot, I can take it out. There's not still a yellow brand.
That should cancel out with the color.
There's not a yellow brand.
When he's Jeremy and Tyrone at the same time. Hair.
Bro, what is this? You f me up.
Pig, you gotta do it like this. You gotta scrunch it.
Bruh.
Get the curl in it.
I look like an anime character.
Dude, just do the
I
curl
don't even watch
back.
anime. I don't even like it. I love everything and hate everyone.
I listen to Ghost.
I know no one, but I love you and I hate you, Jennifer.
And then they be gyrating on TikTok.
Jennifer, I fucking. Oh my god, I almost cussed Jennifer. I'm sorry. This is a little sus right now.
Bro, I told you.
I don't know YouTube. I might have to just cut it off. I don't know. We'll see when they dry though, cause it looked stupid the last time I dyed it. And I don't want to have to flip my hair like this. It's too stupid. It's too stupid.
Your girls with Chuck.
I think I'm just gonna be a rapper or something.
I don't even got no hair, kid.
Bro, this not helping nothing, bro. My hair dead, bro. It's over with, bro. I just want to be able to go to sleep.
Just wait.
Go to sleep in, bro.
Bro, I can't sleep. It's impossible.
Bro,
You look like a crackhead,
I can't sleep. It's so sad.
need to brush your teeth, bro.
and you look like a crackhead.
How look like a
You
crackhead?
look like you're tired, but you can't sleep.
You like
crackhead.
like you do meth every
I'm not
day.
even tired. I'm wide awake. That's the thing.
Like a meth head.
Oh, my baby.
You just got your
Look
teeth.
at your hair, bro. You want to talk? Look at your hair, bro. Bro, why is your roots orange, bro? Like, what's good with you?
Why are you mad? You watch all anime characters that look like
Bro,
that.
no, they don't. Ain't
Yeah,
nobody
they
got
do.
their hair
They
like
look like
that. Who hair is like that? They be having spiky hair.
Who teeth is like that?
Bro, you always put somebody's teeth. I can't.
Oh no, what did I do? What did I do that was so wrong? I don't know, man. Too non-niggerly for me, man. I don't know. I just needed to sit up. This shit trying to sit down. No curls. I look like a white young nudie. If Christopher Columbus took over young nudie. Jack Sparrow. Eggland. Not really white like I thought it was gonna be. Might get some other dye. Oh shit. Damn. Yeah, man, you gotta have your light. Your light is essential. So yeah, man, this is what it turned out to look like. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Zomev gang got the light on me. Obviously, you see the hair. You can see the texture. Look at cute. My hair was never like this. You know, it's so shaky now. My hair usually just do like this. It would just stay. Whatever. It's cool. Whatever. It's like, I don't know, it's like free. It's just falling down, man. I don't know, man. Y'all tell me what y'all think in the comments. Yeah, gang. Subscribe, nigga.
Yeah.